After you open tv.youtube.com, you want to click right here at the top right of your screen on try 21 days for $0 right here. Right here, you can just choose any of your Gmail. Just click on one of them. Right here on the location, you can just choose your zip code and then enter the USA zip code on your address. After that, just click on the blue right arrow. Here on the try a free preview first, you can just choose to preview YouTube TV for 20 minutes, or you can just start free trial. I recommend just choose on start free trial if you already believe you need YouTube TV. In this page, you have to preview and choose YouTube TV plan. You can just click on the best plan right here and then see how much you have to pay per month, how long the free trial goes on 21 days right here, and then all of the YouTube TV feature and also the local channel in your area. After that, just click on next at the very bottom right of your screen. Here, you can add any additional channel by paying some bucks. You can just check mark the favorite channel. For example, if you want to add the HBO Max, the 4K Plus, and so on, just click on the plus button right here. And then after that, click on checkout at the bottom right of your screen. In the checkout screen, I recommend you to do a final review. You can check the plan that you choose. Here I have the base plan. Also, total and detailed amount of money you have to pay per month and when the free trial ends, here 21 days. And also when you will be charged right here. Keep in mind, if you cancel your free trial before it ends, YouTube TV won't charge you a penny. After that, you can just add your payment method right here, either credit or a PayPal. Just choose on one of them, and then you can add your payment information. And after that, just click on Start Membership right here. And that's it. You can now start watching TV from anywhere. And that's how to sign up for YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.